So I received these products via a giveaway that ORS was having back in November. I just received these products in January, and so I received 3 of the 5 products that is in this line, and if you want to purchase these, you can find this at Target. So this product line promises to do 7 things. It promises to protect your hair from heat, it promises shine, frizz control, anti-break it, strengthens, reconstructs, and adds body. And I think that this product line in its entirety delivered all 7 of those things. So I received the sulfate-free shampoo, the rinse out conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. Now you guys know I do not mess with shampoo because it gives me dandruff, and this shampoo was no exception. So the second time that I used it, I decided to water rinse my scalp since I had already washed my hair like 2 days prior to that, and then I used the shampoo on the length of my hair. Now this shampoo does have slip, but I really don't care for that in a shampoo or a cleanser, but it did have slip, and the color is like a gold iridescent color, and it's opaque in color. It did not strip my hair, it left my hair moisturized, and it most importantly left my hair clean. So moving on to the rinse out conditioner. When I was applying this rinse out conditioner, I will apply it to each section, then I would have to go in and apply some more, and that's when the slip came in, and that's when the hydration came in. It was just like that first application just didn't work, but when I did the second application, it did work, and I left the product in my hair for like 5 to 7 minutes. And y'all, it felt like my hair was deep conditioned. It was so soft. I was pleasantly surprised by the performance of the rinse out conditioner. Now the leave-in conditioner, I was ready to write that off because 2 things. Not only is it just water, it just seemed like it was just full of water, but you have to shake it up. The product really isn't fully emulsified. So the first time I used it, I was doing it in sections. So I was sectioning my hair off, spray the leave-in, put my cream on, and then twist it up, and then move on to the next section. That did not work for me. My hair felt so dry. It wasn't moisturizing, it wasn't detangling. The second time I decided to spray it all over my hair, and that worked. Surprisingly, that worked, and my hair was so soft, and it was smooth. Like my hair, I don't think my hair has ever felt that way, ever. It was so smooth. Now, the con about this leave-in was that I use a lot of product. Like, I'm almost done with this product, and I only used it 3 times. I used it once when I first used the system, and then the second time for this video, and then I used it 2 days later because I was too lazy to do my hair on wash day. So 2 days later, I wanted to do wand curls, and so I sprayed the leave-in in my hair before I did the wand curls, just for moisture. Like my hair, it was dry, but it wasn't thirsty. So I added a little bit of the leave-in into my hair the 3rd time, and it provided my hair with moisture, and I was able to comb through it. So I styled my hair in wand curls, and this is actually day 3 of those wand curls. I pineappled at night, and then in the morning I just fluffed my hair out, and I didn't use any holding spray with this line. Yeah, that is pretty much my review on the ORS Black Olive Oil line. If you want information on the pH, the ingredients, and the price point of these products, you can visit my blog, lovingourtextures.com. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.